Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this little hand of nubbins. I'm not putting any extensions on today because, well, basically I can't be bothered. And short nails can look cool, especially in the summertime. So I've got out most of the things I want to use, so let's get started. Top tip, always put a top coat on before you begin your stamping, because then if you make any mistakes and muck it up, it's so much easier to wipe off and redo, which I have to do in this one. There we go. Kind of messed up and not putting enough top coat on in places, but however, it's a wee bit something on my nails just for a few days to brighten them up a wee bit, because for all they look nice enough, just natural, it's nice to have a wee bit of colour. And I haven't done stamping on little short nubbins for a while. So there we go. What do you think? I haven't used this plate before. This is Moyou London's Africa number 11. Let me turn this light off, you might be able to see it better without being blinded. It's got some lovely patterns on it, but they're small, so they really do, I mean you can double them up like what I did with the thumb, or they really do need to go on short nails. But some lovely patterns on it. I've actually got a few plates that I haven't used. I started a series a while ago, a couple of years, where I was going to do, I've no idea what I was talking about, new plates. I was going to do a series where I was using new plates for a design, and on Instagram I was putting up as like a poll which plate you wanted me to use, and I came off Instagram because I was pissed off with it. So that series, oops, kind of came to an end. But now that I'm back on Instagram, let me know if you would like that series back. We could put polls up, because I mean I really do have loads of plates that I haven't used yet. Most of these ones I have. That was a bad folder to choose. But I've got loads of plates that I've not used yet. So it would be I don't know, maybe a monthly thing, maybe a fortnightly thing, I don't know. What folders have I got loads of new plates in? You're going to think I'm lying here, but I'm not, I promise. Yeah, these are new ones. It's like I haven't used a lot of them. So there is loads to choose from. So let me know if you would like that series and if you would like to get involved in the polls on Instagram, and we will do that. Let me know what you think of these. I'm so pissed off that I mucked it up. But let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.